ba ang nilalaman nitong inilunsad na lung transplant program?
Yes, Ella, sa ilalim ng programa, magkakaroon ng malaking pag-asa na gumaling ang mga pasyenteng may malalang sakit sa baga. Ang lung transplant program ay opisyal na inilunsad ng Lung Center of the Philippines at ng National Kidney and Transplant Institute ngayong araw.
Today we launched the lung transplantation program, giving hope to patients whom you have seen afflicted with end-stage lung disease.
Naniniwala naman si Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na magiging matagumpay ang healthcare service na ito.
I know you will succeed because you are torchbearers of the tradition of bold and brave initiatives upon which medicine has advanced and diseases have retreated. It is the same grand vision which prompted the establishment of the LCP and the NKTI and the Heart Center during an era when great things were not only dreamed of but developed.
Kinilala rin ng Pangulo ang serbisyo at pagsasakripisyo ng mga healthcare workers upang mapangalagaan ang kalusugan ng mga Pilipino. Yan muna ang ating update. Balik sa iyo, Ella.
Maraming salamat, Nel Maribohok.